A big fucking man like you come on the internet and a ball over free gift, a ball over something what somebody sent you and a talk about if people feel like you're a batty man. Obviously you're flexing like you're a batty man for true, because I don't see why a grown man would be so upset over something what somebody sent on you. You shouldn't take things from people in our first buckler place. So yeah, you should not be taking things from people. So if somebody sends something to you, you don't want it, all you have to do is just leave it a blood clot loan or give it back to them. There's no way you need to go make a video on TikTok and embarrass yourself. Because yourself you're embarrassing. You're a big blood clot man, you're not pitney. I don't see why you should be getting gift from other blood clot people. Not because of foreign people that you're talking about. If you feel like you're broke blood clot Jamaica, feel nothing bigger than I feel you're
second to this blood clot. Still blood clot for you. Now come out here with things bigger than a thing.
Contact about your thing bigger than people think.